Okay, guys, so this is my Chick-fil-A meal. I already took a bite off my sandwich. I don't know how to edit, so if there's anybody out there who knows how to edit, please feel free to DM me, contact me. My daughter's in the background. She's having a whole tantrum. She's already eating fried chicken and everything else. And as a mom of three, sometimes we feed ourselves last. But I got some fries, a couple of sauces, honey mustard, the buffalo, some ranch. I try to eat all my food, but I'm somebody that's working on building my appetite. I used to have a huge appetite and I don't anymore. So, yeah. And my edits are not that great. So, if you hear my baby in the background, I apologize. Okay. I'll probably eat half this burger. Hopefully, all my fries. So, I want to tell you guys a quick story time while I'm talking because I always hear people tell story times when they do their mukbangs and stuff. But my life is like a movie. Spicy chicken sandwich deluxe meal. I reheated it in the oven. This is why it's on the tray. Also, shouts out to Eat with Shadia. She was a beautiful soul for real. And um, as a mother of three children and two boys, and knowing how boys love their mom, girls love their mom too. We all love our mom. But knowing how, seeing her relationship with her youngest child and how strong that was, and I think that's pretty much the only one she did mukbangs with. Um, mm, I don't know what to say. What was my story time? I'm so scatterbrained. I could tell you a million of them. Okay, so I go to this Dollar General that I've been to over the last 10 years several times. I haven't lived even in the same area for the last 10 years, but I know about this Dollar General. I've visited them before, probably more now than before. And there's this woman who fell in love with my baby. Y'all, who's crying? I'm so sorry. When I can edit, I will. Long story short, she knew her manager didn't like her and she lost her job. And she asked me to vouch to get her another job. I mean, not another job, but the job back with them. And I'm like, when she explained the story to me, you know how you always want to have the person's back that you fucks with, you mess with. Oh, my baby. She's just like, guys, she needs a nap. She's been up all day. She's eating fried chicken. She's eating this. She's tired. And when I learn how to edit, I'll edit her out. But until then, welcome to the world of being a mom. So, long story short, she wanted to get her job back. And I was just kind of like, You know, you could do a little bit better. She says, well, the reason I'm fighting so hard is because I felt like I was treated unfairly, which I can relate to. And she was like, the lady took the availability to basically like the one time she messed up, from what she explains to me, because I don't know the whole story. It's always it's three sides: your side, his side, and the whole story. And so, um, she was like, she fired me. I have so much going on. And I'm I'm an empath. I am the most compassionate, don't got it, will give it type of person. But I got so much on my plate that I'm so overwhelmed. I'm trying to figure out, what do I need to prioritize? Because everything's important. Everything's important. You know what I'm saying? Everything's important. And so she's telling me this. Oh, I'm so sorry, mommy. She's telling me this. Guys, she really does need a nap time. My baby has not slept in God knows how long. And she usually takes like 3 naps a day. She wants me to basically go against this corporation with her to prove that her manager was unfit. Granted, the manager was unfit. But I just ain't got the capacity. You ever felt like you wanted to help? I help, I'm not going to say when it's convenient for me. But in a sense, it's kind of true. I help when I can afford to spare that emotionally energy. I have 3 kids. House to clean, bills to pay, things to do. And it's hard. But the world is lacking empathy. We are lacking empathy for other humans. Like your cousin, your mom, your grandma, your dad could die today, and your job will say, we're going to give you 3 days to get over it. Mind-boggling. And I don't operate like that, but I have to live in a world like that. So at this point in time, I would normally give someone the utmost attention, but I don't have it to give. But yeah, she called me in. She wanted all this help. I'm just like, I don't have it to give, baby. I don't have it to give. I'm the type of person now, I'm trying to gain my appetite back. I'm trying to come up with a better system to prioritize my life. Because I feel like if I could do that and I could see it physically, I could be okay better. It's not going to, change everything, but it will make a big difference as far as my stress goes. And this is what I wanted to do. I don't know shit about cameras, editing, or anything. So if you do, I'll make the content, and if you can help me, you can. I want to bring her out here so bad. I know she needs a nap so bad. And you came to see me eat. But how's your day going? Like, what's some of the trials and tribulations that you're facing? Are you a procrastinator? Are you someone that's struggling? Are you having relationship issues? I want to know. I always wanted my channel to be something real. That's why I didn't always want to come up on here dressed up and, you know, but you got to be appealing because people are judgmental. But I'm so humble. And even though I'm going through a lot, I'm going to cut this short because my baby's crying. She's more important than this mukbang. But I'm so humble that I just want us to be comfortable in our own skin, eating at our own house, talking to other people, having different conversations. But I'm T. See you guys. Rest and peace out.